welcome to my most tutorials. Today we are looking at simultaneous equations. They are very easy. There are two ways of simplifying them. We have got the elimination method and the substitution method. I'm going to explain using examples so that you guys can see how do we eliminate and also how do we substitute to simplify this. I'm sure you can see we've got two variables. We've got an x, we've got an y. At the end of the day, we want the values of x and the values of y. And when these questions come, they come carrying 3 marks, right? Mark allocation is 3 marks, okay? So you don't want to lose the 3 marks, so pay attention. So let's start with the elimination method. We are given 3x minus y is equal to 10. And the x plus y is equal to 6. So using the elimination method, you look at what you are given and you try to eliminate the other variable. In this case, I'm sure you can see the other variable that we have here. We are having x and y. The best variable for us to eliminate here is actually y. Because the coefficient of y here is 1, here it's a minus 1. We can eliminate y. How? We have a minus y and a y here. We can actually add. If we say minus y plus y, I'll get a 0. In other terms, I've eliminated y. But then what is 3x plus x? I will not focus on y only. What is 3x plus x? I'll get a 4x is equal to. Since minus y plus y gave me a 0, I've eliminated y. What is 10 plus 6? It's a 16. Now let's divide by 4 both sides. Our value for x will be a 4. Since now we know the value for x is a 4, what's the value for y? You choose any of the equations that you want to use here to find the value for y. I would prefer this one, x plus y is equal to 6. The value for x is a 4 already. 4 plus y is equal to 6. So my y is actually 6 minus 4, which is a 2. So I've managed to find the value for x and also the value for y. Even if you choose to use this first one, you're still going to get your value for y as a 2. Let's do that. In place of x, we'll put a 4, right? So 3 times 4 is a 12. 12 minus y is equal to 10, right? We end up having a 12 minus y is equal to a 10. We want the value of y. Let's take y to the other side and bring 10 here. It will be 12 minus 10 is equal to positive y. Your y will still be a 2, right? That's the elimination method, and that was our first example. Let's have a look at our second example where we're having x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus y is equal to 18, right? Today we'll just eliminate, okay? All right. We are having x minus y is equal to 2. 2x plus y is equal to 18. Again, in this case, we can eliminate y, right? But, okay, it's fine. Let's eliminate y because the coefficient of y is a 1 and that one of y there is a minus 1. So we can easily subtract or add. And again, here we are going to add because minus y plus y, it will still give me a 0, right? X plus 2x, we get a what? 3x. 2 plus 10, we get a 12. We divide by 3 both sides. Our value for x is a 4. After getting our value for x as a 4, now we can find y. So we say 4 minus y is equal to 2. For me to get my y, I'll say 4 minus 2 is equal to positive y. Y is a 2 again on this one. Let's see if it's true for the second equation. You must always check your equations, right? If I say 2 times 4, I'll get an 8. 8 plus a 2, will I get a 10? Yes. So it means my values for 4 and my values for x and y, they are correct. I'm getting my 2 marks there, right? So the 3 marks. Because simultaneous equations, they always come carrying 3 marks. Okay. So that's for example number 2. Let's move on to example number 3. We are eliminating. Example number 3, we are having 2x minus 3y is equal to 10. 4x plus 5y is equal to 42, right? How are we going to simplify this one? I'm sure you can see it's not straightforward like the first two that we looked at. We have a 2 and a 4, a 3 and a 5. It's not the same. So let's try. I would like to eliminate the x's. I'm having a 4 here. There I'm having a 2. Let me make the first equation to have a 4 as well. I can actually multiply my first equation by a 2. My second equation, I can multiply it by a 1 because I want to maintain it at 4x, right? So if I multiply my first equation by a 2, I'll get 4x minus 6y is equal to 20. Then my second equation will remain as 4x plus 5y is equal to 42, like that. Take note, the 2 multiplied everything on my first equation. So now what am I going to do to eliminate? I'll subtract, right? 4x minus 4x is a 0. But what is minus 6y plus minus 5y? Plus and a minus will give me a minus. So I'll get a negative 11y is equal to 20 minus 42, which is a 22, right? A negative 22. What's the next step? We divide by negative 11 both sides. We get our value for y as a what? A positive 2. I'm sure you can see where the positive is coming from. The negatives and negatives, they have cancelled out there. Then I will choose to use any of the equations to find the value for x. I can say 2x minus 3y. In place of y, I put a 2 is equal to 10. So it's 2x minus 6 is equal to 10. I take my 6 to the other side. So 2x is equal to 10 plus 6, which will be a 16. 2x is equal to a 16. Then I divide by 2 both sides. My value for x will be just a 8. Okay. I'm getting my y as a 2, x as a 8. But let me test if that is correct. If I come here and say 4 times 8, I get a 32. 32 plus 5 times 2 is a 10. 32 plus 10 is a 42. That's awesome. So it means our values for x and y, they are correct and we are scoring our what?